Hello students, we are going to start Unit 10 Training in Sports Part 6 Coordinative Abilities and Types. Coordinative abilities are those abilities which stabilized and generalized pattern of motor control. These abilities help the sportsman do to a group of movements with better quality and effect. Coordinative abilities are significant in sports and games. These are required for qualitative movements as a matter of fact. The beautiful and graceful movements are the product of well developed technical skills and coordinative abilities. Types of coordinative abilities. There are various coordinative abilities which are very significant in the field of games and sports. First, orientation abilities. It is the ability of a person to adjust himself as per the time and condition of place. This ability has different importance in each game. Second, balance ability. The ability to maintain balance during the complete body movements and to regain balance quickly better the balance disturbing movements. It can also be defined as the ability to control the body's position either in stationary position or while moving. These types of ability is required in most of the games and sports. Third, coupling ability. It is the ability of a player to move these physical organs in order to do his activity. For example, coordination between hands and eyes, feet and eyes, etc. This ability is very significant for approximately all sports. Fourth, rhythm ability. Rhythm ability is the ability to observe or perceive the rhythm of movement and to do the movement with the required rhythm. In gymnastic, for figure skating, the sports person has to observe an external rhythm given in the form of muscle and to express it in his movements. Fifth, reaction ability. It is the ability to react quickly and effectively to a signal. To a great extent it depends on sense organs. There are two types of reaction ability. First, simple reaction ability. That ability help to react against the known signal. For example, the reaction of a runner in the start of sprint races is already known to the runner. Second, complex reaction ability. It is the ability to react immediately or quickly and accurately to undetermined signal. These signals are unexpected for sports person because he does not know when and to which signal he has to react, such as facing the ball in cricket by a batsman. 6. Adaptation ability. It is the ability to adjust or completely change the movement program during the movement on the basis of changes or anticipated changes in the situations. 7th, differentiation ability. The ability to achieve a high degree of accuracy and economy of separate body movements and movement phases in a motor action. The high level of this ability depends on experienced movements and the degree of mastery over motor action. Okay, thanks.